Hello mga ka-Twin Bell, good afternoon. Ayan. Update tayo mga ka-Twin Bell. Good afternoon sa lahat. Happy Sunday. And have a blessed Sunday everyone. Ayan mga ka-Twin Bell. Anong ganap ko ngayon? Nag-ihaw. Kay busy-busyhan ang peg ngayon mga ka-Twin Bell. Ayan, nag-ihaw-ihaw kami. Nag-barbecue kami ni Renz. Dahil gusto kumain ng barbecue ng mga tao. So, nag-barbecue kami para sa aming supper. Supper, chicken barbecue and pork barbecue. Ayan. Ayan, medyo matagal din kami hindi nakapag-barbecue. So, ayan mga ka-Twin Bell. Ililipat ko lang. Dito, medyo sunog na ito. So, ililipat ko lang yung medyo luto na. So, mas maraming apoy. Oop! If you put it in here, they don't come here.
But it's because it's hot.
They get barbecue.
That's what I say, it's hot.
They'll get barbecue. They get cooked right there if they come.
Used to like to cook on the grill. We had a heat. We had a gas barbecue grill.
Where is the clipper? Oh.
We had gas for front going up to the house. We had a gas one. All I had to do was switch it on and cook it. On it. I cooked a lot on it.
Barbecue before?
No, I hated these times.
What? This is like a Filipino style,
I'm talking about
in
not
the
food, I'm
in
talking
the
about the
street.
Grill.
Oh, the grill, yeah, no. The Filipino.
That's a schmaltz, what they call them.
You want to try that? That's a little cook. Red, magsahin ka ng rice. 2 scoop. You hungry now? Mother. Few minutes. Kunti lang kasi nilagyan niya ang apoy. Di man yan nilahap. Klase na bata niya. Di pa rin talaga marunong. Barbecue ka, konti lang. Wala na bang uling? Konti lang yung ilalagay mo. Ay, nako. Ayan mga ka-Twin Bell na. Ayan. So, mayaan muna natin siya maluto na sandali. Ginita na ako. So, ayan. Short update lang tayo sa ating ngayon. Ayan, barbecue kami ngayon. for dinner. Ayan, mga ka-Twin Bell. Hindi na yan. Unlimited rice na naman tayo mamaya, mga kapindaw. So, yun lang ang ating update for today. Nagluto lang ako, kami ni Renz ng barbecue, chicken barbecue, and pork barbecue. Ayan, kasi nag-crave kami. So, umuwi kami ng maaga at nagluto. Ayan mga ka-Twin Bell. Have a blessed Sunday everyone. Bye-bye!